What's up, guys? Ebro6 back with another video. And in my last video, I was talking about this Dynamark lawnmower, actually. So this, like the same thing came from over in the barn over there, the overhang on the left. And basically what this is, I'm pretty sure it's like around 1950. But so what we all did to it is, this is the only wheel that holds air. But this wheel is good. Like it won't hold air, but it's just too hard, and it just stays up perfectly. And this one will be probably a new one. But anyways, yeah, here it is. So seat's a little cracked, but everything else works. We had the gas cable. It was so old and it just cracked, so we just put a see-through one so we can see if it's getting gas. And as you can see, it has gas. Here's the gas, like the top of it, to tell if it's like empty or full. And so yeah, so the gears and everything works. We found this key right here. This is the last key that we had, because I've just been like finding keys around the garage, and so far it's worked. And so I will actually be starting up for you guys and driving around. So I put this on here because the seat's a little cracked and it's a little wet, so I'll just put that on there. I'll start it up right now. Yeah, it takes a minute. Oh, balls. There you have it. So everything spins. There's no mower deck, as you guys can see. So I will be actually right now. And so there you have it. And it is also chain ran. So that's another indication I can tell it's old. And I will be changing the oil in this pretty soon. So yeah, that is my 1950 Dynamark lawnmower.